When creating a quotation in Odyssey, there is a few payment options that you can select. Some customers require paying cash for an item, while others would like to pay over multiple months. In Odyssey, there are 3 ways in which you can present the quotation to the client. Before we start the quotation process, we need to set the rental factors as well as the interest charge on month payments. Before we start the quotation process, we need to set the rental factors as well as the interest charge on monthly payments. Let us first look at setting up the interest charge. Click on the System Settings link at the top of the screen. Inside the System Settings, click on the Quote Settings icon. At the bottom of the quote settings, there are 3 fields to complete: the number of split payments, you need to specify an admin fee, and the interest charge per month. The option called Number of Split Payments allows the salespeople to indicate on the quote a deposit amount and then an X number of months for repayments. During this time of paying, the company can charge an admin fee as well as interest. This option is mostly used for your own internal financing over short periods. If you would like to quote the customer on estimated repayments over long periods like 36 or 48 months, you would use the rental option. Under the Utilities menu, you can find the Finance Factor Sheet option. Here you can enter multiple bank names and the repayment factors for various terms like 36, 48 or 60 months. Once these are created, we can now do the quotations. There are various formats in which you can print quotations. You can print a normal quotation displaying all items on the quotation with the totals printed at the bottom, or you can remove the prices per line and only print the totals at the bottom. So let us open an existing quotation and view the various payment options available to us. Below the items that we added onto the quotation, there is a checkbox for financial options. Click to open. The financial options screen that opened has 2 tab views. On the first tab, we can now select the payment period group from the drop-down and then the period. You can select more than one depending on how you initially did the setup. These repayment values will then be printed at the bottom of the quotations. The other tab option called Split Payments allows you to give the customer an initial payment amount and then you can select the number of months for repayment. With each of the payment amounts, you can click the date boxes to also indicate the expected date of payment. If you entered an admin fee and percentage interest in the system setting, Odyssey will automatically calculate that with each payment.